Yes, you got the answer.
Yes,
A.
sir. 3733.
Same answer you got or different?
Same answer.
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Shall I do it or no need?
No need, sir.
Okay, thank you. Any doubts from question paper?
20th one.
20?
20th question.
20.
Yes, sir. 20.
Coefficient of x to the power 6 in. See, if you take other factors, other terms, and expand it, the first term will be 1, second term power will be more than x to the power 6. The exponent of second term will be more than x to the power 6. And if you multiply any term with more than x to the power 6 with any term here, we won't get x to the power 6. Okay. Here I am neglecting the term having power more than x to the power 6. Suppose you take x to the power 9 here. If you take x to the power 9 and multiply that with any term, we won't get x to the power 6.
6.
So neglecting the term having exponent more than
To the power of
x to the power 6. Okay. Now, how we will get x to the power 6? Number 1. This term multiplied by 111 in other factors. In the last factor, multiply 6 into x to the power 6, and with other factors 1, 1, 1, we will get x to the power 6.
Yes, sir.
So coefficient of x to the power 6 equals 6 plus this one with x here 5 into x to the power 5 into x to the power 6, and in other factor you multiply with 5 x to the power 5 into this, with other factor multiply with 1 plus 5. Okay. 4 x to the power 4. There, no need. One term is here.
2.
That's it. 8. This term multiplied by this term, in other factor you multiply with 1.
Yes, sir.
That's 8. Anything else? No.
No.
This
3.
factor with x to the power, this factor with
1.
1 plus 3 plus cube, this factor, square into x. Look at this. This factor, this factor, this factor.
Yes, sir.
In these three factors, you multiply with 3x cube, 2x square into x, and in other factor with 1. 3 into 2 into 1. Anything else? One we have taken care, x power 6 or 6. This x square, that x power 4, that's it. And this x power 4, with any term, other factors, we can multiply so that we will get x power 6.
No, sir.
No? That's it. So 8, 11 plus 8, 18, 22 plus 6, 28. Now, option is there?
Yes, sir. 28.
Yes. Any other?
Sir, cleared all out.
Uh,
No doubt, sir.
third.
No doubt. I mean, no doubt.
Okay. So I'm writing one question, you just do it. Shall I rub it? Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा मैनिपुलेशन है. चलो.
Ten factorial.
You are muted, sir.
Shall I rub the question?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Just I'm giving you a hint, but you have to complete it. Here, 3 seats in first row, 4 seats in second row, 5 seats in third row. What are the possibilities? Let us check. In first row, let us send one student. Let us select one seat. Here, one seat. Then here we have to select 4 seat. Other possibility, 1, 2, here,
4, 3.
3 seats. Like that, what are the possibilities? Once you tell me the cases, how many cases are possible? Any answer?
Sir, 10 possibilities, sir. 10 such seating arrangements. Sir. 114, 123,
8 minutes. 114, 123, then
132,
correct,
141.
correct. Read over with 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now starting with
2,
2, 1, 3.
2. 2,
1,
1,
3.
3. Then
2, 2, 2.
2, 2, 2. 2, 3, 1.
1.
Over with starting with 2.
Yes, sir.
Now starting with
3.
3. 3,
3,
1,
1, 2, and 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. How many cases? Check it.
9, sir.
9. Jasim.
Sir, 411 is also possible now.
Here,
411.
here, look at here.
Yes.
What is this here?
Three seats.
In first row, we have only
3 seats.
3 seats.
Sorry, sir.
Now, see, the meaning is in first row, one student will sit. That seat we have to select. And second row, one student. Third row, 4 students. Now we have 6 students corresponding to one selection of these 6 seats. In how many ways we can select? In how many ways we can select one seat in one row, one seat in second row, 4 seats in third row. That is 3C1 corresponding to first case. Number of ways we can select 6 seats is 3C1 into 4C1 into 5C4. Means we have selected these 6 seats. And now we have, this is number of ways in which we can select 6 seats, satisfying the given condition. Corresponding to one selection of selecting 6 seats. Corresponding to one selection of selecting 6 seats. How many arrangement we have? 6 persons, 6 seats. How many arrangement we have? 6 persons, 6 seats. In how many ways they can be arranged in these
6
6 seats?
factorial.
Factorial 6.
Yes, sir.
So into multiply by factorial 6. Work is completed. Into we have to arrange the voids in these 6
Yes,
seats.
sir.
Into 6 factorial plus corresponding to second case 3C1 into 4C2 into 5C3 into 6
6
factorial.
factorial.
Calculate it. Calculate first number of selections, number of ways of selecting. Six seats satisfying given condition. Satisfying given condition. I'm not counting the arrangement. Is 3C1 into 4C1 into 5C4 plus 3C1 into 4C2 into 5C3 plus 3C1
3C1 plus 4C3 plus 5C
मारूंगा भी
into 4C3 into 5C2. Sorry, sir.
5C2 plus
3C1
3C1
into 4C4
into 4C4
into 5C1
into 5C1 plus 3C2 into 4C1 into 5C3 plus 3C2 into 4C2 into 5C2 plus 3C2 into 4C3 into 5C1 plus 3C3 into 4C1 into 5C2 plus 3C3, 4C2, 5C1. Just give me the value. It's simple calculation. Not 4C2 is 6, 5C3 is 10, like that. 5C2 is 10. Give me this value. What's the answer?
1 minute.
Sir, we have to multiply with 6 factorial also, no, sir?
Yeah, later.
Yes, sir.
Look at what I have written.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
After calculating that, total multiplied by 6 factorial.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 8:35 I'm getting, sir. Eight 35, sir.
Any other answer? आसान सा तो है, इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है?
35
हाउ मच?
835
So I got 805, sir, in this selections.
Any other answer? ठीक तो है क्या? Shall I calculate it?
7
12 into 60 plus 10, 60, 180. This one 180. This one 10, 4, 40, 120. Forty-four, 1, 15. This one 10, 40, 120. 10, 60 into 3. 60 into 3, 180.
sir.
How much?
60 will get there.
60. 10, 40. 5, 6, 30. Total 9 cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. 5. 16, 17, 19, 27, 33, 37, 3, 40. 4.
805 will get there.
8 not 5. It's coming. 5.
Yes, sir. 805.
805. Yes. Correct. कहीं कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक नहीं है. टोटल अरेंजमेंट्स इक्वल्स 805 into 6 factorial corresponding to one selection of 6 seats. We can arrange them in 6 factorial ways. Corresponding to these many selections, we have these many arrangements.
Yes, sir.
एक बार चेक करने दो. ठीक है, करेक्ट. ठीक है, यही है. Next, shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Compute number of functions from one set to other set. Capital X to capital Y. Okay. So let capital X. Let's first take a simple example and see what is the meaning. X1, X2, X3. We have 3 elements in capital X, 2 elements in capital Y. This is one function. The second function. Third function. Two elements in Y2, one element in Y1. Fourth function. X1, X2 together. Now X1, X3. Fifth function. X2, X3 list. 1, X2, X3, Y1, Y2. X1, X3 will go to Y2, X2, Y1. Now X2, X3. Y1, Y2. Eight. Y1, Y2. X2, X3, Y2. These are total number of functions from set X to set Y. How many there are? 8. Number of functions equal to 8. These 8 functions are these one. Now, how to count? How to count it? All the time we can't map. See, this element has how many options? It can go to y1 or it can go to y2. Okay, all the elements here should be engaged. This element has y1. This element has two options. This element has two options. This element has two options. Means all the elements can go to one element, or two element can go here, one element here. All will be counted. The first element has three options. How to count? X1 has two options. X2 has two options. X3 has two options. The number of functions equal to 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. And we can't do in that way that y1 has three options, y2 has three options, like 3 into 3. In that case, what एक बार लिखो फिर मैं रिवर्स ऑर्डर में बताता हूँ. Once you write down, shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat? Junaid,
Yes, sir.
shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
See, just see geometrically what is the meaning. What is the meaning of this 8 functions from set x to set y? And if you take in that way, the y1 has three options. Y1 has three options, y2 has three options. Means both the element can go to one element. Y1 has three options. It can go to any of them. Y2 has three options. It can go to any of them. So 3 into 3 will count this kind of mapping also, and which is not a function because domain is this. Okay, and y1 will go here, y2 will go here, like that. It will come around 9. Let us generalize it. Suppose set x, set y. Here we have xn. Here n elements. Y2, y3, yn. Okay. Number of functions from, there can be any condition. N can be more than m, n can be less than m, n can be equal to n. Number of functions from x to y equal to, x1 has how many options? X1
N.
has how many options?
N.
N.
X2 has how many options?
N.
Like each element has n options. So n will be multiplied how many times? N into n into n how many times?
M
M
times.
times.
N will be multiplied how many times?
M times.
M times. So it will be how many functions?
n into n power n. Yes, sir.
Suppose m equal to n. Number of one function. Number of one function. See, in both the sets, number of elements are same. Suppose it goes to one of the element. It has, you can take m equal to n equal to m or n. It has n options. It has n options. Then it will have how many options?
n minus 1. N minus 1.
N minus 1. And next one?
N minus 2.
So it will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to 1 equal to n factorial or m factorial. Anything.
Yes.
Case 3. N greater than equal to m. Number of one functions. Once you give me the answer, think of it this way.
Sir, it is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 equal to n factorial there. Second one.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
N minus 2 up to 1. It will go up to
Yes. 1.
1. Into. Just give me the answer for this.
NPM.
Correct. Sharp. See, n greater than equal to m. Number of elements here more than here. It has an option. Let us first count by fundamental method. It has n options. Next element has n minus 1 options. Next element has n minus 2 options. Think of the last element. Before that, here, for the last element m minus 1 elements are over. N minus m minus 1 options. For the last element, m minus 1 have been mapped. So m minus 1 elements here has been mapped. So how many elements we are left with for last element? N minus m minus 1. N minus
M minus 1.
m minus 1. What's your name? अभी जो बोला क्या नाम है?
Junaid.
Junaid. Once you put on क्या हो गया? How many Junaids are here?
2, sir. Sheikh Junaid and Muhammad Junaid.
One is Junaid, other is
Sheikh Junaid and Mohammad Junaid.
Sheikh Junaid and Mohammad Junaid. I think you are Sheikh Junaid. Rijobola.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can write it as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 till n minus m. The numbers are decreasing. Here this is increasing. Then n minus m. Then n minus m plus 1. Then 2 into 1. Dividing by, we have extra multiplied these terms, n minus m. These are consecutive terms. Two into 1. So numerator part is n factorial by n minus m factorial. Equals npm equals ncm into m factorial. Same. See, for this type of function, last one, think in that way. We have n seats, n is more than n. We have n seats in a row, and we have m persons, yum. Here the pronunciation is yum. We have m persons, n seats. Okay, n is greater than m. In how many ways we can arrange them in that row? NPM. Like we did, we have 10 seats, 5 persons. In how many ways we can arrange? 10p5. 10p5, or else the other logic. 10 seats, 5 persons. At a time, we need how many seats? 5. At a time, we need how many seats?
5 seats.
So first select 5 seats, 10c5. Now we have these many selections, 10c5. Corresponding to one selection, how many arrangements? After selecting 5 seats, now we have 5 seats, 5 persons. 10c5 corresponding to each selection, how many arrangements are there?
2.
मैंने कहा 5 persons, 10 seats. What I said, we have 5 persons, 10 seats. I'm telling you, let us first, at a time, we need 5 seats. At a time, we need
5 seats.
5 seats. So we have to select 5 seats first out of 10.
Yes.
10c5. Work is not completed. Into. Corresponding to one selection of 5 seats. The persons can be how many arranged in 5 seats? 5 persons, 5 seats. 5 persons, 5 seats. In how many ways they can be arranged? 5 persons, 5 seats. In how many ways they can be arranged? 5 factorial. So 10c5 into 5 factorial. Corresponding to one selection of 5 seats, we have 5 factorial arrangement. So corresponding to 10c5 selections, we have 10c5 into
5 factorial.
5 factorial. So I will be using this one mostly because generally they say permutation combination, but it should be combination and permutation. First we have to select, then arrange. First select, then arrange. I will be using this one. This equals NC5, NCM. First we will select M objects from Y out of N. First we will select M elements. Now corresponding to one selection of M elements, and we have M elements here, M elements here. Number of arrangements. How many? Corresponding to one selection, we have how many arrangements? Corresponding to one selection of M objects, M elements in Y. How many arrangements will be there? M factorial arrangement. So corresponding to these many selections, this into these elements. So number of functions, one functions from X to Y. This fundamental method which we started in beginning, first class. Slowly, you use this one or this one or this one, both are same. All are same. Okay? All are
Yes, sir. Same.
same. Oh, time is up. One is Mohammad Junaid, other is Sheikh Junaid.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I disconnect?
Yes, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.
Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.
Allah